What's up, my peeps? Today we got upgrades. Yes, we got new tires. About to put these bad boys on. These are the Mickey Thompson Baja Pro XS. Squishy, supple, soft, super grippy. These should give me a little bit more ground clearance and give us some better performance. But before we put these guys on, we are going to test this dude in stock form over a little self-made rock crawler course I made, just to test the before performance and after, just to see how good these tires actually are. And of course, stick around because we are going to be doing a free shock mod on the rear. It's going to make your weight towards the front a little bit more, and it's going to give you a little bit more articulation in the suspension. While we do the wheel upgrade, we also got these brass hexes. Now, these aren't going to add a significant amount of weight. It's like 1 gram. But the reason I got these, because I thought it was a higher millimeter offset than the original stock ones, but they are exactly the same. So we're going to put on these guys anyway, just because they look cool. We are here doing the test on the homemade course. Love it. With stock tires. Do a little test crawl just to see how it does with the stock tires compared to the upgrade ones we're going to be putting on. And that was a fail. That was my bad. Restart. Getting a little bit hung up. Clearance issues. Definitely getting caught up a lot. Definitely a ground clearance issue. Hopefully the tires can help. And over. Alright, let's take it on the steep side. Usually have an issue. Yeah, it looks like we cannot clear the little riverbed down here. Oh, there we go, just a little gusto. Alright, let's go ahead and put the bigger tires on and see how it does. Check that guy out. That looks absolutely amazing. They look really cool, and they are actually significantly more weight than the plastic ones, but that looks nice. Let's go ahead and throw these tires back on. Boom, we got 2 of them on. Wow, that looks slick with the chrome. That looks so nice. Here we got the new ones on, and here's a stock one on this side. They flare so much better, and we can see a big size difference. It's even sitting to the side. Alright, let's go ahead and get this other side done. Get these new brass hexes on. And bam, we have all 4 tires hooked up. That looks absolutely amazing. It is definitely sitting up a lot taller. Those look awesome. Now let's get on with the free shock mod. Now you're going to be looking at this rear shock tower right here. You see this extra mounting hole. You can move the whole controller and the shock towers up forward, which will lean this shock forward a little bit, give you a little bit more suspension travel, and you can do all of this for free. So I'm going to go ahead and you got to take the shock off first and then go to the screw mounts, because this is the only way you can access it. Move that guy out of the way, and now we have access to both screws right here. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Unscrew these 2, move it forward, and put it in this hole and this hole right here. Alright, we have all 4 screws out, shocks off. We could take this entire thing and scoot it forward to these extra mounting holes here, and by doing this we're actually shifting some of the weight to the front of the truck so it could actually climb a little bit steeper And like I said, it's going to tilt that shock just a little bit forward and give us a little bit more travel. Just like that, our shocks are remounted. See how they're tilted forward a little bit? It's going to give us a little bit better articulation here, especially with the rear. Oh yeah, that is significantly higher than the front. See how the front only goes up that high? Now at the front, oh yeah, much better. Now let's throw the body on this guy and take it for a test run. Now we are set up here on the self-made rock crawling course, as you can see. Professional, super professional. Now I did notice that the tires do rub on this body. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But it does rub a little bit, that's alright. Let's go ahead and give it a test with the new tire upgrades. Oh yeah, no problem. Let's go ahead and hit it at a little bit different angle here. Oh yeah, we're definitely having some rubbing on the body issues. But it just crawls right over now. I have so much more ground clearance. Oh, are you serious? Wow. Significant gains with these tires. Much better improvement over the stock. Alright, let's try another angle on this steeper side over here. Try it at a little bit of an angle. And right over, just like that. Beautiful. And there you guys have it. The tire upgrades are absolutely phenomenal. Huge gains on that. That is so lovely. But we are having some tire rub right there. You can see on the bumper and on the fenders. Now, I don't want to trim the fenders or anything. We might run it just as is. Maybe trim up that back little piece or bumper right there. Just that little bit so it doesn't hang up. But yeah, other than that, absolutely amazing. I definitely recommend these tires. They are freaking awesome. And the free shock mod also helped quite a bit with the travel. Look at how it's sitting right now. Ooh, looks so good. I also put some blue differentials on there. But guys, that is going to be all for today's video. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, make sure your bell is checked so you can stay tuned.